car has it has a smell of old fruit, but like alcohol. You can smell like the alcohol from the fruit. That's what it smells like. I don't know what the hell. Oh my gosh, I don't know what the hell that is. Yeah, like, ugh. It's like, oh gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't know what. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What the fuck is that? Oh my gosh. Oh shit. I don't know what any of the mechanics normally would do in this situation, but the car, he wanted the AC fix. I'm starting to refuse to really just work on the interior of the car. I don't want it to be disrespectful to the guy. However, it's just a little too filthy inside that car, man. The AC works. It's just the heater coil was replaced from somebody else, and obviously there's some blend door issues going on here. And I don't know how to tell the guy in a nice way that his car's just a little too nasty to be working on. But it runs. Right? Look at, we got condensation there on the dryer there. I just know it's just got a blend door issue. I don't know, man. I don't know what other people have to deal with this. Those type of jobs. I remember the last car I did a video on it. It's superficially, it was fine, but smell-wise, as far as the sense of smell, it was horrible, and it was just a faint odor of. I mean, it ain't even death. It's just. Gosh, I mean, like a woman in wilderness, if you can combine those two, and lack of hygiene, if they all go together. But yeah, I guess if anyone watches this, what do people do when they get these vehicles that are filthy, that are just it's a hazard to work on the inside on the customer car. I don't know how to take that. I don't know. I'm going to have to sit there and think about this overnight and plan out what I want to do. But nobody knows who this car is, so hell, they're just looking at a car and whatever. But I don't know, I'm kind of over it. I'm going to have to sleep on this one. So, I think I'm going to give up a close and personal of this vehicle. If I can describe it, smells like it's fermented fruit and spoiled food. So it's like the alcohol deadens the spoiled food to the point where it's a smooth odor. Best way I can describe it is, it's not like strong. It's overwhelmed by the fermented fruit odor. So let's see what happens. So it's the next day. I did tell the customer that I wasn't gonna. I kindly stated that there's just no way I can service this car because of it just sitting for a prolonged period of time. So I did make them aware that I just can't at the time service the car until it gets detailed. But I'm gonna hold my gag reflex and just give you an up close and personal look of what it is that's in the back seat of that car, and give you reason why. I mean, I'm not going to service it. I think, I don't know. I woke up with like maybe it's allergies or some eye issues, but hell, I do wear contacts. But I mean, it felt like my pupils were dilated today, and I couldn't even really see that well when I went out in the sun. It was just trouble sleeping and stuff. So I don't know if that had any type of effect while I was sleeping, but I want to give you a up close and personal look what's behind it, because I look at the footage. I think it was a maggot or maggots, and we're gonna find out today. I mean, they're covering my nose. I mean, there are like flies around. Oh my goodness. Oh gosh, what the fuck was that? That was a fly. What? The fuck? Oh god, there's just flies coming around everywhere. I'm gonna throw this. Oh man, that is just like, I don't know what that is. I mean, like I said, the car is just, okay, I'm done. The car just has like mold stuff all in it, little spores. I guess that's what they're considered. But I mean, I just told the guy, like I said, nicely, I can't do anything with the car at the end of the day. I told him nicely. I didn't rub it in his face, but hell, nobody knows who this guy is. So, but yeah. I mean, am I right? Am I wrong? I mean, would anybody else work on the car like that? I mean, it had AC problems. Needed the blend door was inoperative, so I didn't go in there and diagnose it. But I'm quite positive for what it was. I mean, the guy, unless it's a bad connection, it worked when somebody else put a heater core in it. Now it's just it's inoperative now. So I don't know what's wrong with it. Would anybody just go in there and diagnose it? That's what I want to know. Hell, to all my 100,000 subscribers, just leave a comment. But that's the first job I ever had to turn down as a result of it being a health hazard inside of it. I mean, this is not the first time I serviced this person's car. I had another car that I serviced, and again, there was same type odor. I mean, it was just careless neglect. I mean, I understand trash being in there, but food, these mold spores just collecting in spots and stuff. Man, hey, all right, peace and haggeries.